Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to reattach instances to components on Figma. If you've ever accidentally detached an instance from its main component and lost that critical connection, this tutorial will help you restore it quickly. If you want to streamline your workflow and save money on subscriptions, check out the link in my description. First things first, open your Figma application. Once Figma is up and running, you'll need to navigate to the specific file where you want to reattach instances to components. This could be any design file where you've been working with components and instances. Take a moment to locate and open that file so we can proceed with the reattachment process. Now that you have your file open, it's time to identify the element you want to reattach. Click on the specific element or instance that's currently detached from its component. This selection is crucial because it tells Figma exactly which element needs to be reconnected. Once you've selected the element, look at the bottom of your screen. You should see an action icon there. Click on this icon, and from the menu that appears, select Plugins and Widgets. This opens up Figma's plugin ecosystem, which is where we'll find the tool we need to fix this issue. In the Plugins and Widgets search bar, type Reattach Instance. This plugin is specifically designed to help you reconnect detached instances back to their original components, saving you from having to recreate everything from scratch. Once you've found the Reattach Instance plugin in the search results, click on it to select it. You'll see a Run button appear. Go ahead and click Run to activate the plugin. The plugin will automatically analyze your selected element and attempt to reconnect it to its matching component in your file. This process usually happens quite quickly, but depending on the complexity of your file, you might need to wait just a moment for it to complete. And that's it. You've successfully reattached your instance to its component, restoring that vital connection that keeps your design system organized and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.